Nyamaiga y'okwigoro w'ekisukuru serituko lya lero nigono nabo aborokigwa barasabe yonko bwatekana aborokia bali abensemeria junior secondary batebere buna bali gochigikira na semerimo yabo gochakerituko lyanke yamaga yorokoro okorobekano gotindia serituko lya lero achinsemo aoniga aborokia bose abalimu ba junior secondary batebere buna serikali ndo yarorokane ko batiga maiga batari bakwe murungana linga mono gotali kwa sensemeria botambe gose permanent and pension bo ekero banyare ko bole serikali kone kibuna mbali kuliko wetera centre ya konda gose contractor iko chenge ba korokorobekana achinsemo meye county ya Kisii gokorobekana uko nigo batebere buna igasa matuka manga iga serikali yarorokane konyara ko irani maiga umuro byo CBC anamona sogota bali kemeremo abalimu abaliang ba junior secondary aniga gocha matuka make maiga ya serikali konyara gotebuna ase budget yo mwako yo wechiri buna marongebe ne ko mwaka wechiri buna marongebe 5 2024-2025 igo yabe kire chibesa goetanye chiri chekerengo ase wizara isemera kanoko bikoro chibesa chinyinge ngwase konyara yaboliwe nyare ko bali kabali mu chiri bwe 45 noyomo engano emono goikira boni getrekeranwa egento abantu bajina secondary bagendrete kwe murunganire kende gikomi agote yabuna na batekerane skuru tukoliyanke ko bwatekane serikali gutaigwa okogani kwabo.
The country. We are passing around informing the government to give us our permanent and pensionable letters before we go to school. 2, informing parents, teachers and other stakeholders in education that we will not go back to school until they give us our permanent and pensionable letters. They could give us tomorrow, they could give us next week, but the day when they give us is the day we are going back to school. Court ruled out internship as illegal and it gave TSC some time to engage us so that we come to consensus before we go back to school. But unfortunately, TSC has not talked to us, and therefore no one is going to report back to school until we have those permanent letters. Yes. Let me advise the parents, your learners in school are not taught. Na msidanganywe watu walimu wa primary wanaweza funza syllabus ya CBC. Hawawezi. The only people who are able to teach that syllabus ni hawa walimu ambao wako kwa street.
Masomo tayo. Chakera bono baka tuwaliku. Etwa some tu kuna into bebe baita baka nyetenga hanto yole message. Watu wango shilingi mmoja usame sukari siko mwezi kani. We are tired. Kuna michoka.